Well, hello friends, my name's Antonio and welcome to Back at the Ranch. And we've got the battery powered pump running, filling up the water over here for the deer. And if you guys haven't watched that video, you can click right here on this link. It's on this side, and you'll see how that thing works. It's pretty sweet, and I'll give you a little bit more details about it in that video. Today what I want to talk to you about is this old can of boss sauce. This one is Acorn, yeah, Acorn liquid attractant. So this looks old because I've had it in my deer blind for a while, but we buy this pretty often. But what I want to tell you guys about it is it is windy, by the way. That wind picked up finally. We had no breeze whatsoever earlier today. What a lot of people do with deer attractants like this one is they'll put a pile of corn and they'll pour it on the corn, which that works great. Now we'll say this thing does attract in the deer, but it also helps keep the deer here. So what I like to do, you can see that this branch already has it on it. I like to get it on a piece of wood or the dirt and just pour it on the wood. And I'm not using a tree stump simply because we don't have thick trees here. We don't have tree stumps. I pour it on this because when there's not this much corn out, you know, deer will show up, they'll eat the corn, then they'll come and they'll lick on the stick and it'll keep them here longer. So if you're limited on the amount of corn or other stuff that you're using to attract your deer in, you can do this. Or you can also just do it as a supplement. Just, you know, it's got some minerals and things that are good for the animals. I don't have my glasses on, I can't read everything on there. But in a nutshell, boss sauce or similar products, there are some that are molasses. Basically what I want to talk to you about is not necessarily this product, but this type of product. This is a good practice right here. Is find something that will absorb the liquid, put it on there, it'll absorb it in, and they'll come and kind of nibble on it and lick on it. And keep those deer happy, it'll keep them here. And if you want to hunt hogs or other things that like sweet stuff, then leave it on the outside of the fence. That'll work as well. So that was it, just a quick tip. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on Back at the Ranch.